welcome back to our channel. I'm back with another programming challenge. Okay, in today's video, I'm going to explain about the problem from LeetCode. The problem is finding majority element. Given an array nums of size n, return the majority element. The majority element is the element that appears more than n by 2 times. Here n is the size of the array. Okay, for example, let's take this as an example. Nums. Here 3 appears more than n by 2 times. So the output should be 3. In the similar way, the second example 2 appears more than n by 2 times. Why? Because here 2 appears 4 times. The size of array is uh, it's 7. If you do by 2, it's 3 only. So 2 appears more than n by 2 times. Okay. So now let's start designing a program or function for this challenge. Okay, let's go to online editor. Here, let's start creating function where majority element, okay, equals to function for which we should pass array as argument nums. So inside this function, let's create an empty object to store frequency count of each number. Okay, for that let's take empty object. After that, loop through each number in the input array. Okay, for that take for loop for let num of nums. So inside this for loop, if the number exists in the map, increments its count by 1. Otherwise set it to 1. Okay, for that map num equals to map num plus 1 or 1. Okay, this is the logic to add the frequency. Okay, the frequency of each number or count of each number into map. Now let's use another for loop. Okay, let's use another for loop to find the key with count greater than nums dot length by 2, that is the array size by 2, and return as number. Okay, now let's take another for loop where what we're going to do is we should loop through keys of map. Okay, keys of map. Now inside this, if check if current number's frequency is greater than of the array length. Okay, for that map of key greater than nums dot length by 2. Okay, if it satisfies, if this condition is true, what we have to do is we should simply return the key. Okay, but before that we should parse or convert into integer from string. For that let's pass the key. This converts string to number. Okay, now if the condition satisfies, it simply returns the key. Okay, now let's run the program and then see whether this program is working fine or not. For that let's take array nums equal to 2 comma 2 comma 1 comma 1 comma 1 comma 2 comma 2 comma 3 and finally 2. Okay, and then call the function console dot log majority element for which pass the array. that is nums. Let's run and then see. You see here 2 appears more than n by 2 times, that is size of array, more than of the length of array. Okay, 2 2 2 2 2 5, so 5 times it appears 5 times. Okay, this is all about LeetCode, that is majority element, finding majority element from an array. Okay, thanks for watching. If you like the video, please do like, share and subscribe for more videos.